If you're getting the error code 30005 on Apex Legends, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end to learn how to solve this error. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. Error code 30005 is pretty common on Apex Legends, and it can be easily solved with some simple solutions. Here we have shown the methods required to fix this issue. So watch till the end and perform as shown to easily solve this error. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. The first thing you can do is verify the integrity of the game files of Apex Legends. Open Steam and click on the library option. Right-click on Apex Legends and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will start checking for corrupted or missing game files by comparing it with the data available on their server. So wait for it to finish and then restart your PC. Method 2. The next thing you can do is repair Easy Anti-Cheat service. The Easy Anti-Cheat service basically makes sure the user is not cheating while playing Apex using third-party applications. Open Steam again and click on Library. Right-click on Apex Legends and select the Manage option. Select the Browse Local Files option from the side menu. This will open the Apex Legends installation folder. Now find and double-click on the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Click on the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup application and confirm the UAC prompt. Once it runs, click on the drop-down menu and select Apex. Click on the Repair option. Wait for the process to complete and click on Finish. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. If the solutions doesn't help you with this issue, join our Facebook group and share the issue with us in your own words. We will definitely try to help you out. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.